How does unlawful presence affect us immigration waivers? Imagine trying to reunite with your family in the United States, but a mistake with your visa or overstaying your welcome has created a barrier. That barrier is called unlawful presence, and it can make the path to a green card or visa much more complicated. When someone stays in the United States without legal permission, it can lead to serious consequences. If the unlawful presence adds up to more than 180 days but less than 1 year, leaving the country triggers a 3-year bar from reentry. If it is 1 year or more, the bar jumps to 10 years. This means you cannot come back to the United States for that period unless you get a special permission called a waiver. Now, imagine you want to apply for a green card, and you have this unlawful presence issue. You might be able to ask for a waiver of inadmissibility. One common option is the Provisional Unlawful Presence Waiver. This allows certain people to request forgiveness for their unlawful stay before they leave the United States for their visa interview abroad. This way, they can avoid being separated from their families for years and reduce the risk of being stuck outside the country. To qualify for this waiver, you need to be physically present in the United States and at least 17 years old. You also need a pending immigrant visa case, usually based on a family or work petition approved by the Department of State. You must show that if you are not allowed to enter, it would cause extreme hardship to your U.S. citizen or lawful permanent resident spouse or parent. You also need to prove that your inadmissibility is only because of the unlawful presence of over 180 days or more. If you do not have other reasons for inadmissibility, you might be eligible. If your waiver is approved, you can leave the United States for your visa interview with a lower chance of triggering the 3 or 10-year bars. This process is especially important for Middle Eastern immigrants and others trying to navigate the complex U.S. visa and green card system. It offers a way to reunite with family and adjust your status while avoiding long periods of separation. Remember, unlawful presence only causes these bars when you leave the United States. If you stay inside without leaving, even with many years of unlawful presence, you might still be able to adjust your status within the country without needing a waiver. But this depends on your specific situation and eligibility. Getting legal advice from qualified immigration professionals is very important. They can help you understand your options, prepare your waiver application correctly, and guide you through the process. While it can seem complicated, the waiver process provides hope for many who want to start fresh and build a new life in America.